Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable biometric login on Credit Karma. First, open the Credit Karma app on your phone and sign in using your email and password if needed. Once you are logged in, look for the menu button or gear icon usually at the top right corner of the screen, then tap Setting. Inside Setting, you will see a section for login option or security. Here you will find the option like PIN, Face ID or Touch ID. Turn on biometric login, find the switch next to the Face ID or Touch ID, then tap it so it's on. This tells the app to use iPhone's biometric when you open the Credit Karma. Your iPhone may ask you to confirm with Face ID or Touch ID. Just follow the on-screen instruction and approve it. If you don't see the Face ID or Touch ID option in the Credit Karma app, don't worry. Open the setting app on your phone. In the search bar, type Credit Karma and tap on the app. And make sure your Face ID, Touch ID are enabled for the app. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.